Good morning, school. I hope this finds you and your families safe and well. Well, here we are in the second week of the summer term, in pretty strange times, it has to be said. Now, speaking to many of you on Skype, it seems that you're missing the place, so we're certainly missing you. School's not the same without you. So what we thought was that today's assembly we'd do it from various locations, so you can have a reminder of what the place looks like. So of course, here we are at the pavilion, and I do know that a number of you will be missing the opportunity to sit down and have one of Jane or Julie's cupcakes and a latte and Americano with your friends. And of course, that social interaction is so important, and we know that you'll be missing that. So I would encourage you, where you can, to make sure that you do stay in touch with your friends, whether that's through Zoom or Skype or whatever mediums you use. It's really important to try and keep those social interactions going. We hear that there's quizzes going on and people are meeting up virtually, so I would encourage you to try and do that. It's really important to keep those lines of communication open. So here we are in the hall, as we would be for a normal assembly. Now obviously if this were a normal assembly, we'd be starting with sports reports. Unfortunately we have no fixtures to give to you, but technically it is another week unbeaten, so well done everyone. I actually just want to take a moment to say well done for the way you've handled the transition to remote learning. It has been a challenge. It's been a challenge for staff and it's been a challenge for you. But what we are seeing is that there's some really, really good work being done. There's been some huge leaps forward from you in terms of your technical ability and ours as well. And what we're really seeing is some really top class learning being done. And it's really important that you continue with that. So well done facing those challenges and keep on keeping on.
Good morning, school. I hope you're all well. And here I am in the library, the academic heart of the school. But as Mr. Hayden's already said, it's really missing you guys, and we do. But learning goes on, and you have taken to it fantastically. We're very, very proud of what you've done, and also proud of what your staff have done to overcome the challenges of remote learning. But that learning does go on and does progress, and all the information with regards to all the courses that you do can be found on our website under the learning section. So if you want to see what's happening next, please do utilise that information. You know that I do enjoy the round square discovery framework, and indeed there is one particular discovery that is top of the list for me. And I feel that so far you and your families and the community in general has really shown this particular discovery. You know, and I know, it's tenacity. And I think we all at this particular moment in time have really had to take a tenacious approach to everything that we've done. And the questions on our tenacity poster could not be more pertinent. Do I approach challenges with the right mindset? So important. Do I stick at things even when they're hard? And do I bounce back from disappointments and difficulties? And these are all key things that we need to consider over the coming weeks. I hope you're all well. We will see you soon. Thank you.